Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of these little doodles that I've been doing. So for those of you who may not have heard, I was in a car accident on November 3rd and I am recuperating from that. I have several fractures and I am sorry about my breath if I'm a little bit out of breath here. One of the injuries I have is a broken sternum. So anyway, I just wanted to pop on here. I've been making these little flower doodles and I'm calling them my accidental doodles because this is what I can do when I'm sitting in my recliner and I want to craft. So this is something I can do. I've been wanting to play with my watercolors for a while, so this has been a fun project. So what I've done is I've made this into a digital kit. Of course, you won't have the actual watercolors like these are. These are the originals on watercolor paper, but they are very similar looking. So I have a couple pages that would be great for cutouts. One of them I cut out and then decided to just, instead of print out the digital, I would just share the originals, but I'd already cut one page out. So I'm just going to kind of go through some of these little cutouts that I did from that page. So these are all on a page much like this one, but they're different florals. So there's 2 pages of cutouts like this. There's 11 pages total in this kit, and it is a free downloadable kit on my Ko-fi shop. So you want to check that out. And again, I just had a lot of fun making these. I've never really worked with watercolor. I've had them for a while, and I thought it would be fun to pull out. So when my husband went to the store, I had him get me some watercolor paper, and I already had watercolor pencils. So I just played around with it, and this is what I came up with. So that's the first page there. And again, my apologies for cutting those out, but I was going to print the digital off, and I thought, well, why don't I just show these, because these are the same thing. So and I do have I kept the tabs on here because the watercolor book I have, you can put these back in there. So I'll probably cut these up and actually make them into ephemera, but I'll just scan through each page so you can kind of see what I did. So there's that page there, which is basically a cutout page. Here's another cutout page. So I made some of them into some like faux stamps there. And then you'll see similar flowers. Some of them have words like these are fruits of the spirit on this one. Some of them just say happy or create. And then here's this page. So I have this one in a portrait style. The reason for this was I thought this could be really cute if it was a cutout page, or a, journal page just folded in half, and you would have these pretty images on there. Or you could cut these out into individual like journaling cards or tags. So I'll just kind of scan over those. I did a couple mushrooms just because I'm not much of an artist. I just, as you can tell, my doodles are very doodly, not professional at all. But and then I did these have like a little bit of metallic. I don't know if you can see that, and it did pick up a little bit on the digital print. So I just did a watercolor block and then drew over the top of it. So the flowers themselves in these are just black and white, a black outline, and then you could actually color those in if you wanted to later, like a marker or something. And then I have a little bit larger renderings of these stamps. And then I have this page of stamps. So I want to create a couple projects from these, and I'll be sharing those hopefully in an upcoming video as I can find a minute to do that. I was just able today to transfer into my craft table here and sit for a minute long enough to do this video, but most of my time is spent now in my recliner for now as I recuperate. So, and then these have some words on them here and there. And then I did these black and white ones, or black outline, so that you guys could print these out and then you could do your own watercolor on them. So if you're like me and you're not real confident in your flower drawing abilities, you can just use my play flowers to kind of do that. And then I have this page oriented again to be like a page in a journal. So this paper is actually a little bit bigger, so I had to keep that in mind on the perimeters so that I wasn't running off the page when it was 8.5 by 11. So these should all print out, obviously, because they're copies. Not perfect, but that's okay. Free is a good price, right? So I do have it set in the Ko-fi shop as free or pay as you wish. So if you wanted to donate $1 or $2 for the kit, I would much appreciate that, but that is by no means necessary. So again, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then this one is 11. So 11 pages total of my accidental doodles. I hope you guys enjoy using the kit. If you do use it and you have a YouTube channel and you make something out of it, please reference me in that video. I'd love to see what you're doing. And I appreciate you guys tuning in today. Getting a little bit tired here from talking so much. It's kind of running out of breath. So I'm going to close for now, but please stay tuned to my channel. People have been asking for ways to help me during this time. One of the ways is obviously to buy something from my Ko-fi shop. And then other ways are watching my videos, liking them, subscribing, and commenting. All of those things really help my channel stay in the algorithm. So I appreciate that. Not that I have a huge algorithm at this time, but who knows? Maybe if you guys watch my video and like them, I'll get my videos bumped a little bit and help everybody in my shop. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a great day.